Hey YouTubers, today got a really cool app for you. It's called the Ringtone Designer. So you can basically make any song that you have in your iPod to ringtone for your iPhone. So tap to select the song. Now it goes into my songs from my iPod. So let's scroll down, choose a song to do. Alright, I'll do one of my favorites by Edward Maya, Stereo Love. Alright, swipe the screen to scrub through your track. So there's your track. You can see the audio, and here is a section that you're gonna be using. Let me see if I can drag it. Oh, you can make it smaller. Alright, this is the max. You can make it 30 seconds. Alright, let's see what this part is. Let's scrub through. Let's try to put in the beginning. Nah. Alright, I'm just making an example. Go kind of there. Alright, let's just say I like that part. Alright, so after this, you hit the save button right there. Now it says creating your ringtone. Alright, so then your ringtone is going to be available on iTunes. There's a tab once you connect your iPhone that's called file sharing when you go to your apps. After this video, I'm going to put up a later video showing on my computer. Alright, and you can... Actually, there's a video right here. You can see what they show you.
Thank you for purchasing Ringtone Designer. It's easy to use the ringtones you've made with Ringtone Designer on your iPhone. After you've saved a ringtone using Ringtone Designer, connect your iPhone to your computer and launch iTunes. Select your device in iTunes, then navigate to the Apps tab.
Alright, navigate to the Apps tab.
At the bottom of the page, select Ringtones from the File Sharing section.
So just scroll down.
If you don't see the File Sharing section, or you don't see the Ringtone
And this should
Designer
be
app,
right there
don't
on the
worry.
bottom.
Just sync your iPhone, and after the sync, this section will appear.
Then you click on it.
Now select any ringtones you'd like to use on
Then
your
your
iPhone and
all the
save them.
ringtones you made would show up.
Now that the ringtones are on my computer, I can load them into iTunes by double-clicking them. I can also drag them into the iTunes library pane. To load ringtones on the iPhone, I connect my device, ensure Sync Ringtones is selected under the Ringtones tab, and click Sync. After the sync, I can find my ringtones in Settings, Sounds, Ringtone, and set any recording as the default ringtone. I can load custom ringtones for each contact in my address book by going to the phone app, selecting
Alright,
contact.
that's enough of that, because I guess you guys already know how to do that. Alright, so let's get out of there. and exit out. So it's actually saved onto the app right now. So if you go onto it, go onto iTunes, connect your iPhone, then go to apps, and scroll down to file sharing. Click on it, and all your ringtones that you made from Ringtone Designer will be there. Alright, thanks for watching. That was our review on Ringtone Designer.